All right, everyone, this is a very quick demo of how to use TwelveLabs MCP Server in the Claude Desktop MCP client. So on the left side here, my screen is the installation guide, which will be included in the blog post on how you can, use the TwelveLabs server. So it describes what it does, some overview details, as well as the installation guide on how to use our server in a variety of different MCP clients. For Claude Desktop, you can follow this manual step and the configuration setting over here. So once you finish configuring this on your cloud environment, you should be able to leverage the TwelveLabs MCP tools on your chart and all the capabilities that we built in the server. So for this demo, I'm going to show a quick example of how you can use the server to interact with some fashion-related content. On the left side here is the familiar TwelveLabs Playground environment, where you can, create your own index, which is a collection of video, and then upload your video content in it. So for this example, we have this fashion demo here, and I asked Claude, can you show me the videos in it, right? I also provide the corresponding index ID, which you can copy from up here, so that you can get accurate information. So as you can see, Claude returned a high-level fashion content overview, every single video on the index, as well as a quick description of each. So this is a very nice way to get a high-level overview of what your video is about. Next step, I want to show an example how you can leverage the Semantic video search tool within the server. So I asked it to find some good clips of fashion trends for the summer, and then after a couple of trial, Claude returned the clips here, right? So you can see that there are like maybe 3 videos which it will be able to find some example clips, right? So for example, let's say this H&M summer trial haul, which is this one right here, right?
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to
so maybe let's take a look at the clip 10:29 to 11:44, right?
but I think you'll be fine. I think this set is so lovely. The shirt is just the right amount oversized, whereby it just really, I can't explain it. I just feel like it feels very chic, very lovely, like beachwear. The shorts are so comfortable. They are like fully.
For example, let's take a look at this Louis Vuitton Spring Summer collection, which is from this new video right here. We can go to 603 and 611 and take a look at some seasonal color palette. And for this example of the women's spring summer, which is this one, let's go to 415 to take a look at some luxury sim styling. Yeah, so that's how search work, right? And obviously you can refine your search and find more search related relevant content, right? And for the next chat conversation, I asked Claude to recap the best tip in the video how to look expensive on a budget, which is essentially this 11-minute video here, right?
How to look expensive on a budget.
And as you can see here, that Claude returned the fashion tips that could transform anyone's wardrobe approach. 6 different steps, right? Master the power of the black, embrace monochrome neutrals, know when to dress up or down, make bold statement with confidence, etc. So this way you can get a quick analysis about your video content just by chatting with it, right? And finally, for some of the a more challenging workflow, I asked Claude to, help me put together a 1-minute highlight reel with the top fashion trends for spring and summer. So after a couple of trial, it found some great segment that will create a dynamic, engaging highlight reel. And it provides a very detailed step-by-step sequence, right, from the opening scene, midsection, runway scene, etc. to put together the entire hilarious, right? So for example, this Louis Vuitton Woman Spring Summer Show, which is this one, right? Let's take a look at 142 to 155, right? I'll just keep running. Which is a pretty good like opening scene, right? You can try the summer try on haul from this video.
And welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new haul video. I haven't filmed a haul from H&M however, like I said, for a beach cover.
So it's a real world try on styling demonstration from fashion influencer.
In this mirror as well, but
and slide we also have this example segment from the Anne Hathaway Vogue feature, 138 to 140.
I see it. Those were red carpets.
That's on a sidewalk.
For Colbert.
Now look at you. Jeans, white button down, serving blazer.
Look, it's double-breasted. I'll button it.
So that's like one interesting segment of high professional styling showcase. And it's quite nice because Claude provides some tips on how you can edit this hilarious together, right? From pacing strategy to visual continuity, consideration of the audio as well, the trend focus, right? So yeah, that's a quick simple demo of how we can use a TwelveLabs MCP Server on Claude Desktop MCP Client. Hope you try it out and have a lot of fun with it.